Hello, I am here today with a review of this sponge for the soldering. You can use it for the cleaning of your soldering tools. You can buy it on the Gearbest site. You will receive these 3 parts in one package, so it's on you which size you prefer, but it's standard sponge for the cleaning, so I have nothing more to say. You can check on the Gearbest. Current price it's less than $1, so it's very good price, quality is good, you can use it for the long time, so I have no issues with this stuff, so it's fine. So see you next time.